Hi everyone, my name is Pauline Joroge. I do online marketing with Global Internet Fortunes, and today I want to do a video on how the company works because we getting so many people want to start making money online, but they don't know how the company works. So please make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't, so that you don't miss the next video. Now, I'm going to take you through the full presentation of how Global Internet Fortunes works, and we are going to start with the company itself. We want to know whether the company is a legit company, whether you can partner with the company, and then you're going to see the products and services. What do we deal with? And then you're going to see how do you market those products, how do you move now the products from the company to the market, and how you get paid. And then you're going to check on a few testimonials, those people who have been working with the company and whatever they are earning. So let's get started. Now, this company, Global Internet Fortunes, is a Kenyan company, fully Kenyan company, registered by the government of Kenya. And you can see the government registration number there. You also pay taxes, and the number is there. So you can confirm from any government office whether that's a legit company. Another way to show the company is a legit, it's something we call the payment processors. These are the banks and the pay processors that help the company to move money from the members and the vice versa. Now you get paid through M-Pesa. Some people choose to be paid through M-Pesa, others prefer Airtel, others prefer bank, the kind of Equity, Barclays, PayPal. We also have some people making money outside the country, and they get paid through Visa. We have PayPal and the kind. Now also Global Internet Fortunes has been approved by the government through a body called KENIC and CAK, Communication Authority of Kenya, and Kenya Network Information Center. So Global Internet Fortunes, we're in the business of selling websites, especially the domain name. A domain name is just the address to the website, like safaricom.co.ke, churchill.co.ke. So we major in selling domain name. Now, for you to do this business, you must be approved and also licensed by these bodies, KENIC and CAK. And you can see that you also got an award from KENIC for being the top domain registrar of the month. So we have been winning every month in the whole country. Global Internet Fortunes is a company that is registering, it's selling most domains. So this one is a winning company, and you can see what we do in the business of selling domain and web hosting through the concept of network marketing. So what basically do we sell? Those are the products and services. We sell domains, blogs and websites, hosting itself, and then we have a platform under online marketing called e-commerce that is help people to make money online. So domain, like I said, it's just an address to the website. Now for you to have a website, you need to have an address. Now you can choose to use your name, you can choose to use your company name, or you can choose to use your business name. Any name can be a domain name, provided you know what you want to talk in the website. So the moment you have an address to your website, you need web hosting. Now, why do you need web hosting? You need the hosting for your website to be accessible online. Everything you read on Google is hosted in servers. Everything is on servers. So for your information to be accessible to the public, you need hosting, and that's what GIF is going to offer. A Global Internet Fortunes is going to offer. They are going to host your website so that people can access the information. Then from there, you're going to get a website or a blog. You can choose to have either of them. You can choose to have a blog. Blog is something you update on a regular basis. An example is like tuko.co.ke, Mpasho. When you go to those people, you're going to find an article every day, a new article on a daily basis, or maybe after a few hours, you find that those people, they even do 2 or 3 articles daily. So that is what we call blogging. So you can choose also to blog about anything. You can blog about fashion, you can blog about politics, you can blog about anything you're passionate about, and people are making crazy money through blogging. I'll be showing you how to make money through blogging. Now, what we do, we run basically, this is what we offer: the products and services, domain, blogs and websites, hosting services, and now we have a platform that is going to help you to make money using those products. Now, how we market those products? We market them through the concept of network marketing. Now, this one is a very, very powerful concept, by the way, and very easy. This is something we do on a daily basis, and this is basically uh, also known as referral marketing. This is just telling someone about something and then you get paid. Now, what I mean by that is that you come to Global Internet Fortunes, you get a website, then you go and tell a friend, they come and get a website, and you get paid. So that is the concept that we use, very powerful, and it's being used by the most successful businesses countrywide. Now, how do you make money with the Global Internet Fortunes? I know that one is the most important thing. How do you make money with Global Internet Fortune? Now, you make money in two main ways. The first one, you can make money as a customer. As a customer, it means you come to the company, you get a website, and now you use your website to make money. The first way you can use to make money is you can run adverts on your website. We have those kind of adverts, the Google AdSense mostly. You earn either in per click or per view. When someone clicks on that link, the Google AdSense, you're going to make money. Or when someone views, this mostly happens on YouTube. When you want to watch a video and then you find an advert before the video. So if you watch that, the owner of the website is the owner of the channel is going to make money. You can also grow your business. You can advertise your business. Even if you don't have a business, you can market someone else's business. You can advertise someone else's business. You can bear with me that there are so many people, they have businesses, but they don't have a platform to advertise their businesses. So you can take advantage, get a website, and then use your website to market for someone else. You can also build a brand, getting yourself a name in social media, and then the companies are going to approach you, they give you a job, and then you run you market for them, mama, you become their social media expert. Now, this is what I'm saying. These are an example of Google AdSense. You can market anything in your website, and also you can make money. Now, the second way of making money is by becoming an agent. I know you're familiar with the word agent. Agent is just a reseller of a certain company. Like now, the insurance companies, they are selling insurance, but now they have the agents who resell the services on their behalf. Now, the same case, GIF, when you get a website, they are going also to give you a chance to make money as their agent. Now, what do you need to become an agent? It's very easy, by the way. You need now, first of all, to purchase those products. You need to purchase the products first, the company products, and the products cost a very tiny amount of 5,500. That is 5,500. Now that money you're going to pay in the first 1 month. So getting a website, getting it hosted, and getting a blog itself, you're going to pay $55. Now, you also pay 1,500 to renew your license on a monthly basis. Now, this one is something we are all used to. The way you can start a business and then you have to pay rent on a monthly basis. But of course, the money to pay the expenses is going to come from the business. So let's see how you make money using your GIF services. How you make money as a GIF agent. Now, we are going to use something we call Power of 5, because like I told you earlier, you're going to market using the concept of network marketing. So network marketing is where you first become a customer, and then you tell someone else, and then you get paid. Now we are going to, let's take 5 as an example. We call it Power of 5. So what you're supposed to do, you can refer anybody, you can refer as many people as possible. Now, how do you earn? You earn in three main ways. When you refer someone directly, you go and tell someone about the website, about Global Internet Fortunes. The company is going to pay you $20 ama 2,000. Now, what you can do, instead of referring instead of referring so many people, you can just work with 5 people. You get your 5, you get paid 2,000 from every person. That is 10,000. Okay, so imagine you do that in a week, you make 10,000 in a month, that is 40,000. A good money, type of money graduates are making from jobs. Now, what you do when you get your 5 people, you teach them how to do the same. You teach them how to go out there and refer their 5 other customers. Now, what is going to happen? The company is going to compensate you, and that is now the network marketing I'm talking about. You get your 5 people, you are paid directly for your effort, but now when you teach these people what to do, you are going to be paid through their effort. Now, how do you earn? We call them the matching bonuses. You refer someone, they're going to be placed in your level 1, you earn 2,000. Now, these people, they go ahead and do the referrals. You're going to earn level 2 and level 3, you're going to earn 500. Level 4 and level 5, you're going to earn 300. Level 6 and level 7, you're going to earn 200. So you are earning on someone else's effort. And that is what makes network marketing a very good concept, because you're going to leverage on someone else's time and effort. Now, what if you help those 5 people? By the way, 5 is just a number. You can work with 1 person, you can work with 2, you can work with 10, you can work with 5, you can work with 100. But now let's just give an example of working with 5 people. You go outside there, you tell someone about the GF services, and when they come and purchase the services at a cost of $55, the company is going to give you 2,000 for every person who joins. Now, if you refer 5 people, you're going to make times 2,000, that is 10,000. Now, when those 5 people, they go ahead and refer others, they're going to be placed in your level 2, and that is 5 people, they talk to 5, that is 125 people, and you're going to be paid 500, that is $225, that is around 22,500. Now, when those 25 people go ahead and talk to 5 people each, you're going to have 125 people in your level 3, and you're going to earn $625. Now, when those people in your level 3 go and talk to another 5 people each, you're going to have 625 people in your level 4. If you multiply by $3, that is $1,875. That is, yes, good money. Now, the system is going to pay you down up to level 7. Now, we can even look at up to level 5. If you have 25 people in your level 5, and you are earning $3, some are 300 from each person, that is $1,200. If you multiply by 100, that is good money. That is 121,000 per month. Yes, that is the cumulative income you can be able to make. Now, this good money, because it's not even your effort, you're earning from someone else's effort. Now, the third way you can get paid, we said the first way is you refer someone directly, you earn 2,000. And then when these people do the same, they refer others, you're going to earn a matching bonuses from level 1 to level 7. So the third type of income is what we call the monthly commission. Now, this monthly commission, if you remember, I said you're going to renew your account with $15. That is 1,500. Now, when you renew your account with $15, the company is going to pay you 100 shillings for every person in your team from level 1 to level 7. Now, let's say, for example, you have a team of 100 people, and each one of them renews their account. You're going to earn, that is 10,000. If you have a team of 1,000 people, and all of them renewed their accounts, you're going to multiply by 100. You can see the kind of money you're going to make. That is 100,000. So the more people you have in your network, the better. But of course, it's you to decide the kind of money you want. And then you can decide the number of people you need to have in your network. So the company will be paying you 7 levels deep, 100 shillings for every renewal happening in your business, in your network. Now, if you do just working with power of 5, you can see accumulative income of 9.7 million per month. So even if you don't do it 100%, even if you do it 10%, you can still make good money. You can still make around 1 M per month. And those people who are getting paid a million, those people who are making 1 million shillings per month, they are people in big businesses, politicians, the CEOs of those big companies. So now the good thing about this business, about global internet fortunes, network marketing, is where a normal person can be able to do an extraordinary thing and they become extraordinary. Just need to join the business, do your referral, which is very easy by the way. Just talk to people, you tell them about something, and then you get paid, and then you teach them how to do the same to their friends, and you earn. And now this is the kind of income that you're going to earn on a regular basis. You build a team that is going to pay you for the rest of your life. So basically that is how you're going to earn. And network marketing is not a new concept. This is something that is happening in most of the companies. An example of Safaricom, we start with the mother company Safaricom. Then they have the dealers who distribute now their services. And then now we have the agents who now reach to the customer. So they are also using that concept. Now what next? What do you need to do? After now learning how the business works and learning how you get paid, what do you need? You need to open an account with this company. You cannot be able to sign up. You cannot be able to start without an account, because this is where you are going to see every transaction that is happening, every money you are making. You can also be able to withdraw from the same account. So you need an account, and for you to join, you need to have a username. A username is a unique name that is going to help you create an account. So I'm going to leave my username, or I'm going to give you my number in the comment section, so that you can be able to get my username, and you can be able to sign up an account. So when you open an account, opening an account is totally free. Everybody can join as a free member. But for you to access the products and services, you need to purchase the hosting at a cost of $55. And then now you need to refer sales and start building a team. So the step is very easy. Get an account first, upgrade the account. I will purchase the products and services, and then start doing the referrals, and then you build a team. It's that easy, by the way. So how do you get paid? How do you receive the money? Most people prefer getting paid through M-Pesa. It's very convenient, by the way. So what happens? Every Friday, it's a payday. Every week you get paid on a weekly basis. Now what you do, you just need, the moment you have an account, just need to provide your M-Pesa number, and the money is going to be paid to you. So for you to be paid on a weekly basis, you need to initiate a withdrawal by Sunday midnight. Let's say, for example, from Monday to Sunday you have made $100. So the company is going to give you a chance. You initiate a withdrawal by Sunday, and you're going to receive your money the following week on Friday. So you can choose to be paid through M-Pesa, or you can choose to be paid through the banks. So that is how you receive your money. And now let's look at GIF testimonials. Some people who have just joined the business, and how they are making money, their progress. Now we are going to start with this lady, Madam Tescori. She's a student taking cabin. She's doing cabin crew, and she's at least taking home 11,000 on a weekly basis. Now being a student, and she's making around 40,000 per month. That is good money. She can be able to support herself. She can be able to pay her own school fees. And also we have Mercy, another student. By the way, we have branches. We have offices in Nakuru, Nairobi, Eldoret, Mombasa, and Kisumu. Now, Mercy, she's working from Eldoret, a student as well, making 11,800 on a weekly basis. You have Janet Wamboi from Nairobi. She's taking home 11,000 as a fresh graduate. She has done procurement, and that is the kind of money she's taking home. We have Ariel Sasha, an accountant by profession, taking home 16,000 on a weekly basis. That is good money, around 60,000 as a fresh graduate who has done accounting. Then you have Diana Rose from Mombasa, taking home at least 16,000 on a weekly basis. We also have a fresh graduate from Eldoret, Brian Kibet, making at least 20,000 on a weekly basis. We also have John from Nakuru, taking home 22,000 and a 400. John completed his studies a year ago, and now he's doing the business on a full-time basis. We also have Immaculate Ngumbi from Nakuru. She's doing nursing, but at least she can be able to make 25,000 on a weekly basis. That is 100,000 a student. Yes, 100,000 on a monthly basis, doing the business on a part-time basis. And you know how nursing is very demanding, but she always creates time to use her phone and make an extra 100,000 on a monthly basis. We also have Kennedy Gashagwa, who's working somewhere else before coming across this opportunity, and right now he's making 30,000 on a monthly basis. Now he said quit to his job because he used to be a driver. He used to be a plant operator, but currently he's doing the business on a full-time basis. You have Kali Sar, a finalist at Kenyatta University, taking home 25,000 on a weekly basis. Yes, that is 100,000 per month. Collins Kipkirui from Eldoret. Now, this gentleman came across GIF while he was a street boy. He saw a poster on the street and then he joined the business. Now, Collins is able to take 35,000 on a weekly basis. He's able to pay his own school fees. He's also supporting his siblings back at home because he comes from a very humble background, and he's doing good. 35,000 on a weekly basis as a student, that's a big deal. Even if you're not as a student, but you're making 35,000 on a weekly basis, that's good money. And then you have Anthony Canoga, a student from Nairobi University, taking home that 2,000 on a weekly basis. Now, Canoga is a success story, and I'm going to share with you shortly what he has done as a student. Then you have Francis Kamau from Nakuru branch, taking home 40,000 on a weekly basis. Now, something about Francis, he's a Form 4 graduate. He hasn't gone to any college or any university. He just completed his studies back in 2017. Yeah, back in 2017, Form 4. And now he is taking, after doing this business for 1 year, serious business, he's making 40,000 on a weekly basis. Then you have Karo Mwende. She was working somewhere else, being paid 25,000 on a monthly basis, but currently she's taking home more than 50,000 on a weekly basis. Wow. Now Francis, this Form 4 graduate I'm telling you about, is so passionate about horse, has been able to buy a horse. You can see him there now training that horse to become a winning horse, and courtesy of the business, he's achieving his goals. Now we have a club called Car Achievers, and we are going to start with this gentleman, Mr. Alex Masharia, an accountant by profession, driving his first car, Subaru. Yes, Subaru. Driving his first car, that is Subaru Impreza. Then you have Mr. Evans Mutea, a finalist at Technical University of Kenya. Yes. Now, Evans, during his first car in the business, he was able to buy a super bike. You can see it there. And last year, he got himself a car, Subaru, an SS. Yes, so courtesy of the business, he's riding at the same time he's driving. Then you have Ibrahim Arandi, an engineer by profession, also with the Subaru there, Subaru Impreza. You also have Camila Gonzalo, driving now. This gentleman used to do insurance, was selling insurance, making 20,000 on a monthly basis, but currently he's making a lot, enough to buy himself a car. Then you have Anthony Canogo, now the student who is making 30,000 per week. He has been able to buy himself a car. Now when the rest of the students are walking to school, he's driving to his lecturers. Now, GIF is an amazing opportunity. It can change your life. What you just need to make a decision. Just need to get started, because you have a vehicle already. Because by the way, you can have an idea, you can be willing to make money, but you don't have a vehicle. Now, you already have a vehicle that is global internet fortunes. So what you need to do, just get started and you start making money. So thank you so much. At least you have an idea how the company works. Now, in case of any question, I'm going to drop my number there down. You can contact me via WhatsApp and then we do business. Thank you so much again. By name, I'm Pauline Zorobe.